students, welcome back to your online class. Today we will discuss new chapter. Okay, triangle. Is it clear? Triangle you know. So first we will discuss about the basic things regarding the triangle, basic key points of the triangle. First, what is the triangle? A plain closed region or portion bounded by three lines. A plain closed region or portion bounded by three straight lines or line segment, that is called triangle. Is it clear? A plain bounded region bounded by three straight lines, it is called triangle, two-dimensional figure. Now, second thing, side. What are the sides? So the line which are bounding this plane figure, the lines or line segment, the line segment which are bounding this plane figure, that three lines are called sides. So what are the sides? AB, BC, AC. AB, BC and AC. These three are sides. Okay, students? Now, vertices. What are the vertices? Already we have discussed in this concept in chapter angle. In the what? First term, no? Angle. So where the two sides are meeting to each other. Two sides, the common points of the or intersecting point or common points of two sides. That is called vertices. So vertices A, B and C. Vertices are A, B and C. Okay? Angles. Triangles made by three lines. So here this AB, BC and AC are sides. So what are the angles? You know, angle made by two lines. Any angle made by the two lines. If two lines having a common starting point, common starting points, then they will form an angle. So angle is what you know? This is the angle. Angle A, angle B and angle C. Angle A, angle B, angle B and angle C. Angles that we have discussed in chapter angles. What are the angles? Okay. Now, what is the interior exterior region? Interior and exterior. So in which plane triangle drawn? Okay. So inside portion of the triangle, bounded region of the triangle, that is the interior. Okay, and this outer region is what? Exterior. What can you call it? Exterior. Okay, students? Exterior and interior region, this inside region, inside portion of inside the triangle bounded by three lines, that is called interior, and outside that is called exterior. Okay, now medians. What are the medians? So a line joining from a vertex, of a triangle to the midpoints of the opposite side, that is called median. See, AD, this is the midpoint of BC. D is the midpoint of BC. This is median AD. One again, you can draw medians from the vertex B to the opposite side, that is AC. Suppose this is BE. E is the midpoint of AC. As I told you now, the medians is a line drawn from a vertex of a triangle to the opposite side. That is called the median. So here median AD, median BE, and one more you can draw. Three vertices now, three median you can draw from C to the side A. Suppose this is F, CF, three medians. Okay, and all are intersect to each other. It is single point. This is single point, count point. So CF, BE and AD, three medians are there in a triangle. Now, altitude. What are the altitudes? A line joining from a vertex perpendicular to the opposite side. A line joining or I can say that a perpendicular drawn from a vertex of a triangle to the opposite side. Opposite side. See, suppose here I draw a triangle ABC. ABC. So what are the altitudes? A perpendicular drawn from a vertex from A to the opposite side. This is the altitudes. This is the altitude means this is 90 degree. AD. So here AD perpendicular to BC. AD perpendicular to BC. Same you can draw B to AC and C to AB. Is it clear? What are the altitudes? Now, exterior and interior angle. Exterior and interior angles of a triangle. So see here. Suppose it is a triangle ABC, A, B and C. Okay, students? So this angle A, angle B and C, these are called interior angle. Angle A, B and C. Interior. Inside the region bounded by two lines, made by two lines. Inside the region, those are called interior angle. Okay? If you write this, you can write in detail. Angle BAC, angle BAC, ABC and ACB. These three are interior angle. What about exterior angle? Suppose you will just proceed this line to the point D. Point D. Either proceed this line to point E. So this angle and this angle both are called exterior angle. And one exterior angle is the what? Sum of the other two interior angle, opposite interior angle. This angle, angle A, suppose is point O, AOD is equal to angle A plus angle B. This exterior angle is equal to sum of these two exterior angles. These two exterior angles. Same as this exterior angle is also equal to sum of these two angles. Angle B OE is equal to angle A plus B. One exterior angle is equal to sum of two interior opposite angle. Two interior opposite angle. Okay, students, clear? One more thing. Sum of all three angles in a triangle. You know, I think already we have discussed this point in the chapter angle. Sum of all angles in a triangle is always equal to 180 degree. This is clear? This concept clear? That already we have discussed in the chapter triangle. What? Sum of all angles in a triangle is 180 degree. 180 degree. Now, suppose here we proceed this side to D, then this is the exterior angle and this is the interior angle. So sum of one exterior and one interior. One exterior and one exterior at the same vertex. At the same, means from vertex C. Means this angle ACD plus angle AC. Sorry, this is E, suppose point E. ACE. ACE. Okay, ACD and ACE. So at the corner point, the sum of exterior and interior angle is always equal to 180 degree. 180 degree. Okay, students, clear? Now we will discuss about the classification of triangle. How we can classify the triangle in different way. On the basis of angle, okay, and on the basis of size. Is it clear? Okay. Okay, students. So here we will discuss what classification of triangle. How we can categorize or classify the triangle on the basis of side and on the basis of angle. So first thing, on the basis of side. On the basis of side, we can classify the triangle in three ways. Scalene triangle, isosceles triangle, equilateral triangle. What is the scalene triangle? A triangle which is bounded by three sides, you know, a plane region which is bounded by three sides, three straight lines. So, if all three sides are unequal, all three sides are unequal, means AB not equal to BC not equal to CA. All three sides are unequal. Then triangle is known as scalene triangle. Triangle is known as scalene triangle. Second one, isosceles triangle. A triangle in which two sides are equal. Two sides are equal. It means here AB is equal to AC, but not equal to both BC. Both BC. In a triangle, if two sides are equal, then it is known as isosceles triangle. Okay. So in case of slant triangles, all sides are unequal, so angles are also unequal. In case of isosceles triangle, okay, two sides are equal, so the angles opposite to the side, equal side, the angle opposite to the equal sides are also equal. This angle B is equal to angle C. Angle B is equal to angle C. Okay, students. Now third one. If all sides are equal, then it is called equivalent angle. Means here AB is equal to BC is equal to what? CA. So if all sides are equal, then all interior angles are also equal. So what is the possibility for all interior angle? 60 degree, 60 degree, 60 degree, and 60 degree. Why? Because sum of all angles are in a triangle is 180 degree. So the possibility is that 60, 60, 60 in a case of equilateral triangle. Now, second way, we can classify the triangle on the basis of angle. So first one, acute angle triangle, in which all interior angle of a triangle is less than 90 degree. For example, see, this is 60 degree, this is 70 degree, and how much this is? 50 degree. 50 degree. Okay? All acute angle, all inside angle is less than 90. Obtuse angle triangle, in which one angle is more than 90 and two angles are less than 90. In case of obtuse angle triangle, one angle is more than 90 and two angles are less than 90. For example, this is 120, then this is 40. How much this is? 120, 40, 160, and this is 20. This is 20. Okay? In case of obtuse angle triangle. And last one, right angle triangle means what? One angle is 90 degree and rest of two angle in a triangle is acute angle. Means less than 90. Less than 90. So in case of right angle triangle, this angle is 90. Suppose this angle is 90 means, okay? So this both are acute, means less than 90. Either 60, 30, either 45, 45, whatever you want to get suppose. But it should be less than 90. In case of right angle triangle, one angle is 90 degree, other two angle is less than 90. So this side is called hypotenuse, this is called perpendicular, this is called base. This can be interchanged. Either this will become perpendicular, either this will become perpendicular according to angle. According to the angle. Is it clear? So in this way we can classify the triangle. Now we will proceed to the exercise 5A. Open all of you. Question first, see, fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. A triangle has vertices. How much? 3 vertices. A triangle has side. How much? 3 sides. In a triangle, 2 sides are equal. Which triangle? Isosceles triangle. 2 sides are equal. Okay. All the sides are equal in which triangle? Equilateral triangle. In which triangle? Equilateral triangle. Fifth part, if two angles of a triangle are equal, then two sides opposite to the angles are also equal. In case of isosceles triangle, if two angles equal, then their opposite sides are also equal. See here, B is equal to C, it means here, what? AB is equal to AC. Is it clear? Now second one, write true or false. A triangle should have at least 2 acute angles. A triangle should have at least 2 acute angles. Here see. It is what? True or false? True. Is it clear? Now next one. And in an obtuse angle, two triangular obtuse never possible. Only one angle or obtuse is obtuse. Okay. In an obtuse triangle, okay, only one angle is possible. What? Obtuse. It is possible. Only one angle should be obtuse. So it is false. Next question. An exterior angle of a triangle is equal to sum of 2 opposite interior angles. True. As I told you previously, exterior angle of a triangle is equal to sum of 2 opposite angles. sum of two opposite angle. This angle is equal to sum of two opposite angle. Already we had discussed. Last part, if the sum of two angles in a triangle is equal to third angle, okay, which triangle is right angle. Triangle is a right angle. Sum of two angle in a triangle is what? Equal to third one. Equal to third one. So it is a right angle. True. See here, in case of right angle, this one is 90, other two is less than 90. It means what? Their sum will be equal to 90. So it is true. Okay, students. Now, question number third, see in the book, exercise 5A. In a triangle ABC, A is equal to B is equal to 55. So, name of the pair of sides which are equal. In a triangle, A is equal to B is equal to 55. So, here question number third first. Here given in a triangle ABC, A is equal to B is equal to 55. Okay. So, name the pair of sides which are equal. This angle side. This and this angle is equal now. So side in front of this angle is AC. So AC is equal to what? Side of this side opposite to this angle. What? BC. AC is equal to BC. Okay, students. Next question. In PQR triangle, P is equal to R. Name the side of which are equal. Again, we can say we can solve like this. Third one. See. If AB is equal to BC in a triangle ABC, see here, ABC, AB is equal to BC. So name the angles which are equal. So in front of this side, this angle, in front of this side, this angle. Okay, so angle A is equal to angle C because AB is equal to AC. AB is equal to AC. Same, you can solve the fourth one. Same question, you can solve the fourth one. Now, proceed to the next question. Question number 4. Question number 4. Which of the following sets can be three angles of a triangle? So, what we will do here? We will find their sum. If their sum gives 180 degree, then they are the angles of a triangle. Like this third one. Suppose here given one angle 70 degree plus other one 40 degree, then again other one 70. So, add 70, 140 plus 40. How much? 180. So they are the angles of a triangle. Same first one you can solve 40 plus 50 plus 60. How much? 40, 90 plus 60. How much? 150. Not equal to 180. So they are not the angles of a triangle. Okay, students, clear? So in this way, you will solve up to fourth question. Next question we will reach to the next class. Thank you. Have a nice day.